This is Susie. Welcome to my Fluid Art channel. And this is a 16 by 16 inch gallery wrapped canvas. And I'm gonna start loading the cup. I want to put a little bit of the white at the bottom, and then a little bit of this orange color that I have here, and then a little bit of this light pink, and then some of this reddish color, and then the violet by Liquitex, and then some of this purple. Then I'm going to put a little bit of this green by Deco Art. Just really like that color. And then a little bit of the pearl mix again. And then some of this pearl red. And then some of the orange. Violet, pink. The violet by Liquitex, and then the Dioxizine purple by Liquitex. Then this is a little bit of black I'm gonna put in. Double the black. And then a little bit of this blue green by Pebeo. And then put some more of the cloud mix. Okay. Then put some of this Rouge color. And then some of the violet. And then some of the Dioxizine purple. Then I'll put a little bit of the pink. Almost out of that. And then I can put a little bit of this orange in here. And a little bit of this pearl red. Whoa, a little bit, that was a lot. Okay, I'll put some more of the black in there. Then I'm going to put some of this green. All right, I think that's enough. So what I'm going to do here is try to get this more even. Okay. Sit down and hopefully this pours out, lighting off the canvas. That's better. really pretty though. Look at that.